Hey friends, it's a beautiful day for a walk along Rock Creek in western Montana. I had hoped to fish, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of ice. So instead, it'll just be a walk. Also, it needs to just be a walk because I ripped my waders. Too much Christmas dinner. Anyways, join me for a walk along this beautiful stream. Today is my last day of filming at the Rootball. I spent a lot of the month of December here. I'm gonna pull cameras and then I'm gonna go home and work on another video. So now that I'm done, I'm going to start a video log. I'll post a couple of days a week if I go fishing or if we do something fishing related. Next month I know we've got a trip planned to the Big Hole. Not sure if that's going to be a fishing trip, but it's still a beautiful scenic ride. So just getting through the winter, friends, and see you on the stream. Hey, do you want to watch me pull cameras? I'll show you my secrets of underwater trout photography. Super strong tippet. So there you have it, the secret to awesome underwater photography. 0-aught tippet from Rio. Super strong 2X. Hey, catch you on my next video log.